The high wind technique I use, the C&D launch, is have the brakes in the correct hand that you would normally use if you were just taking off using the front risers and turning. But with this one, you take the C&D of the right wing here and the C&D of the left wing here. Make sure you only have the C&D. Oh, where are you going? C&D here, C&D here, and then slacken off, lean forward, yeah, lean forward, and then pull back, not on your arms, but on your carabiners here. You pull back here, so you lean backwards. So you let the lines go slack and lean backwards, and the wing comes up. And the benefit of this, I'll just show you how it's done. Where are you going? Pull back like this. There you go, and I can control with C and D the power, because if it starts to pick me off the ground, I can just pull on CD to bring it back down. Now the benefit of this way, have you had enough? The benefit of this way is that when the wing is above you and you want to launch, you turn and the brakes are already there in the correct hand, and you just lean forward, off you go, and it saves faffing around trying to pick out the brake lines from the clippers, and all that time you probably gone about 20 metres in the air. So that's the option I use.